Ask yourself what if, and what is, out there. With the advancement of AI, quantum computers, and other new technologies, it is possible that researchers may be able to develop new metamaterials and technologies related to monopole magnets, Alcubierre drives, and faster-than-light travel. These technologies could potentially revolutionize space travel and open up new possibilities for exploration. Metamaterials could be used to create powerful magnetic fields that could be used to manipulate gravity, while frequency resonance chambers and Alcubierre drives could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel. However, these technologies are still in the theoretical stage and have not been proven. Amazingly, the Bob Lazar story and the Salvador Pais patents look like they are related to this talk. I like to be cautious and pull us back in, but this show is called Out There, so, let's go. Let's start with magnets, monopole magnets. People are interested in finding a monopole magnet because it could potentially lead to the development of new technologies, such as anti-gravity devices. Monopole magnets have only one pole, and they can be used to create powerful magnetic fields that could be used to manipulate gravity. However, this is still purely theoretical and has not been proven. You might ask, would a unique individual element likely be what is needed for a monopole magnet, or would this need to be some kind of metamaterial? It is unlikely that a single element would be a monopole magnet. Monopole magnets are created by combining two different materials with opposite magnetic properties, such as iron and cobalt. This combination could potentially create a powerful magnetic field that may be used to manipulate gravity. Thus, it is likely that a monopole magnet would need to be some kind of metamaterial. Cobalt is a transition metal that is often used in combination with other materials to create metamaterials. Cobalt has a variety of unique properties, such as magnetic susceptibility, electrical conductivity, and optical properties. It is also highly resistant to corrosion and oxidation, making it an ideal material for use in metamaterials. Additionally, cobalt has a high melting point and can be alloyed with other metals to create strong alloys with unique properties. Recent YouTube videos shared that Jacque Vallee's metamaterial has been analyzed by Stanford's Gary Nolan, and it is thought to be a UFO metamaterial. The material contains high levels of magnesium and unusual isotopes that suggest it may have come from another planet. It is also believed to be composed of two different materials, one of which is highly magnetic and the other highly conductive. This combination could potentially create a powerful magnetic field that could be used to manipulate gravity. However, this is still purely theoretical and has not been proven. How are Bob Lazar and Salvador Pais connected to this discussion? Salvador Pais' patents describe a frequency resonance chamber between two materials, which could potentially be used to create a powerful magnetic field. This type of metamaterial could then be used to manipulate gravity and potentially create anti-gravity devices. Bob Lazar's description of the sports model UFO also suggests that it may have contained some kind of metamaterial that was used to manipulate gravity. Again, these are still speculative at this point, and have not been proven. But let's explore. Salvador Pais has a patent for a craft using an inertial mass reduction device. This device works by using a powerful magnetic field to reduce the inertia of the craft, allowing it to accelerate more quickly. Bob Lazar suggested that the sports model UFO may have contained gravity emitters and amplifiers, which could be related to the electric and electromagnetic field propulsion systems proposed by Salvador Pais. Salvador Pais also has a patent for a high-frequency gravitational wave generator. This device works by creating a powerful gravitational wave that can be used to manipulate gravity and potentially create anti-gravity devices. This wave could also be used to create a warp bubble around the spacecraft, which would allow it to travel faster than the speed of light. A frequency resonance chamber is a device that uses sound waves to create a powerful magnetic field. The sound waves cause the electrons in the chamber to vibrate, which creates an electric current. This electric current then creates a magnetic field, which can be used to manipulate gravity and potentially create anti-gravity devices. It is possible that a frequency resonance chamber could then be used to create an Alcubierre drive, which is a theoretical device that could potentially allow a spacecraft to travel faster than the speed of light. The Alcubierre drive works by creating a warp bubble around the spacecraft, which distorts space-time in front of and behind the craft. This allows the craft to move through space without actually moving through it, and thus travel faster than light. However, this is still purely theoretical. The heart-shaped field described by Bob Lazar could potentially be related to the Alcubierre drive. It is possible that Salvador Pais' plasma compression fusion device and Bob Lazar's element 115 could be related. Element 115 is a super-heavy element that has been proposed as a possible fuel source for spacecraft. It is possible that this element could be used in combination with the plasma compression fusion device to create a powerful source of energy that could be used to power the Alcubierre drive and potentially allow for faster than light travel. Did you have fun contemplating the possibilities? There were a few what-if questions asked, but that is what we do, on Out There.